Okay, hello, welcome back. It's past the witching hour. It's 20 past midnight on the same day I recorded the last segment. I've just watched, was it The Zodiac Killer, I think the film, over two hours, 20 minutes. Quite tired, but I couldn't stop thinking about this game. I wanted to finish the damn thing. So let's see if we can do it now. It's a bit late, but I've got a can of beer here to help me through it, just to keep the theme going. So let's get going. I've already tried doing this again, and it's crashed 3 times now. I'm hoping it won't do it. I've had to redo a section because I talked to Gailwyn again, and it didn't crash that time, but I think it's remembered it, and so it's crashing here instead. So yeah, basically my previous save didn't work from earlier, so I've just had to redo everything from the dragon onwards. But it was pretty quick. So yeah, what we're going to do, I was thinking whilst watching the film, I'm going to try asking the boy to send the skull to see Selena. And if I'm up on the gallery above, hopefully, I'm thinking maybe he'll operate the drawbridge. That's what I'm hoping. If that doesn't work, I may not bother. So this is where it normally crashes, so get ready. If it does, we're in trouble. It will crash now. Oh, so far. Oh, we're okay. We're okay. Lovely. Right, so it was all about that. Gailwyn. Yeah, that's the weak link in this. Okay, quickly we've got to follow. Okay, quickly go about. Oh, he might be already talking to him. Here we go. I've had enough of your pranks, Minnow. Go and fetch more wine or I'll send you home. Ah, right, okay, well that doesn't work. Well, that was a waste of time. Right, well that's bloody crap, isn't it? Let's just have another look out here, see if I've missed something. I don't think I have. It's just a nice view. Okay, yeah, okay. Thing is, we previously tried asking the boy to send him to the cellar, but eventually he comes back, so I'm not quite sure what to do. Your plan of yours was useless. What now? How can I get rid of that skull, Minnow? Tell you what, I don't know. He's only interested in one thing, and that's his drink. Like your father. Aye, but skull don't dribble as much as my dad. Okay, right, so what have we got here in our inventory? Basically, he wants a drinky drink. I mean, we've got a flask full of sewage, but I mean, that seems a fairly tenuous thing. I don't think many people would have got a flask of sewage on board. I'll try giving him the flask of sewage. But that probably won't work. What on earth would we want with that? We at. Exactly. Right. In that case, we need to fucking well think. It's drink that he wants. That's the only thing. So, right. Let's just try one more time. Let's get him sent down the skull, down to the basement. This ain't gonna work, is it? Dream of it, Pastor. Yeah, I've been through all this. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay. We couldn't lock him into this wine cellar. There's no door there. Wait a sec. I saw something there. Oh, it's a bloody window. I thought maybe we could spike his drink. He's going to be in here in a shop. But even if we successfully operate this, he's still going to be in here and we're still going to get battered on the way out. Pulling the lever does nothing. Could try the tongs. Nothing happens. And operating won't move. Use axe. Yeah, go on then. No. Use knife wouldn't do it. Tinderbox. No, of course not. I don't think we're doing the right thing here. Broken glass, of course not. I have girlfriend. No. Flask. No. I've got a feeling, you know. Yeah, so we're going to die now. Right, let's just restart. I think we have to spike his drink. I'm sure it's something like that. Let's have a good... Okay, we can't do anything with these casks. There's nowhere to hide. I'm missing something. I'm bloody missing something. Fuck. Look at that. I should have searched them all. There's a bloody bung there. Right, let's pull it out. There's no way your fingers... Right, that's for the tongs. Therefore... Right, I think I know what we need to do. Use the tongs, pull it out. Skull goes in there, gets pissed off his head. Job fucking done. Hopefully passes out. We get something... Yeah, something like that. Yes. Okay. Come on, boy. See? I'm not searching enough. Saying that is quite obscure. I mean, I searched all of this stuff and nothing really came of it. Devious game. Devious. Right. Oh, there he is. Okay. Right. Oh no, let's not do that yet. Let's try and pull the bloody bung out and see what happens. I imagine we do that now, but it might be wrong. I was thinking of like, maybe we can lace it with something. Okay, use tongs on bung. The bung pulls free, wine now spills from the cask. Oh, lovely. That's a nice little bit of animation there. That should be enough, I imagine. The contents of the cask are pouring out like blood from a gaping wound. Lovely. Okay, that should be enough. Hopefully that will incapacitate the the skull. Yes, that should do it. Right, come on, where's the boy now? Exciting, we're making progress at last. Taking me 20 minutes. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Talk again. I'm going to help you escape. Right. Oh, yes. Tell the skull there's a leaky cask in the cellar. He'll be right mad if he thinks wine is going to waste. Yes, well that should keep him busy. Okay. Will it keep him busy for longer, or I'm hoping it's going to incapacitate the chap. Barrels have sprung a leak. Oh no, disaster. Don't panic, boy. I'm coming as fast as I can stagger. This will be interesting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can't be too hasty because he'll catch us else. Hopefully he won't see us. He's too preoccupied by his escaping wine. Maybe I can bash him over the head or something. Shit! Well, that didn't work. Oh, hell. What's the difference between asking him to come to the basement, to the wine cellar, and coming to stop the flow of wine? I mean, it doesn't delay him for very long. Oh, fucking hell. Talk to him then. The hell? Fuck's sake. Fucking hell. I did miss something. Shit. That will grease the cogs. Large flap of fat is yellow and white with semi-translucent fronds. It seems to quiver obscenely in the flickering firelight. Get. Your hand closes on a particularly rancid piece of fat. You shiver with revulsion. With your teeth clenched and your eyes closed, you tear it from the carcass. So we've got fat, so that should grease the mechanism. The fat has warmed in the heat of your hands, coating your palms and fingers with an evil-smelling greasy deposit. Okay. Coking range of black. I think we've seen everything that can be seen. Yeah, none of this can be picked up, so okay, right, we've got something now to grease the doodad with, but whatever we do with this guard, it's not going to be enough. Oh no, disaster! Don't panic, boy. I'm coming as fast as I can stagger. I mean, I'd be similar. Crikey. Leaking cask of wine? Hell! Okay, go. Right, so fat on the lever, maybe. Yeah, let's do it on the lever. Getting somewhere, definitely, but I've still got my doubts about this. Right, pull. Okay, use fat. You slap a slippery handful of grease around the rust encrusted lever. Okay, now pull the fucker. Oh no. Okay, that was only half of it. The lever appears to be connected to the winch. But the winch is shagged. The cogs of the wooden winch are worn away with age and continual use. So the cogs are shagged. So we need to... That didn't do anything, did it? Oh dear. I'm going to hide over here. Shit. Okay, that's just a diversion. Right, last ditch fucking attempt. I want to make it so that the cask is still pissing out wine when the skull comes. So I'm going to send him to get the skull now, and then do it. Someone in the cellar. He's probably just going to go straight over and wallop me one. That didn't fucking work. Nope. What's he up to? Yes. That's what we had to do. He is ugly. Okay. Okay, so. Okay. Right, now we should have all the time in the world. It's a very poor puzzle, I would say. How do I get to Selena? Lives upstairs. Oh, drawbridge. How? I don't know. Just want to get out before the school wake up. Okay, so matey is not coming back. Problem solved. These buggers aren't waking up. I'm wondering if there's something. I'll tell you what, we'll just pull the lever and then go up and see if it's done anything. There's nothing more to be done, I should say. Okay, so from this moment I've just got to fill in a bit of a gap here because the sound went tits up last night, a very high-pitched sound just on this section, so I'm just going to have to redo it. So this was causing me a lot of trouble last night. So we've got the winch here, and the cogs are worn away, and so I was thinking we have to use something to fix it, but that wasn't what had to happen. We've got to try both of those. We've got to put the fat on here to loosen up the lever, then we can pull the lever. So we'd already worked out that at this point, but what I then realized was we need to help use this chap who's still with us for a very good reason. We can use him in the same way as we're using Ratty. So how? Yes, how? I don't know. I just want to get out before them skull wake up. Okay, so after talking about that, now it provides this tell. So I mean, very clunky. It didn't appear before. So we've got to get him to pull the lever because he's not strong enough to do the winch on his own. So pull the lever, finish. So get him to do that. Okay, winch, and then we'll operate it when he does the old lever. Okay, here we go. This blew my mind last night, but unfortunately you don't get to see my glee at that working, but it was a bloody amazing thing. I didn't expect those chains to be animated, actually. So you could never tell on these old games whether something would work based on what was going to be animated, because usually it was just a drawing, it wouldn't move. So now we've done that, the drawbridge is down, and there might be someone waiting for us on the drawbridge. So what I'm going to do is I will battle what we find there, and upon killing said beast, I will switch over to John from the night before. Bloody pain in the ass, this, really, but technical issues do happen occasionally. Your progress is barred by the appearance of a huge beast. Instinctively, you draw and brandish your weapon. So, a repeat of what happened in the caves. What I also discovered last night was that we can actually block by pressing the right mouse button, like this. And we can also do a downward swipe. And like the beast in the oh crikey, like the beast in the caves, this one is quite a hardy beast to kill. Last night it was what, 20 to 2, I think, when I did this. So I was just doing it with glazed eyes, but somehow managed to get through the beast. Quite scary. Come on, die, you bastard. Yes, look at that. Okay, over to the other John. Let's save it. It's gonna crash now. Imagine that. Hell. Right. Selena, you're going down. Hopefully she's in here and it's not just another bloody load of castle to go through. Hell! And so the town of Townvale was freed from Selena's evil tyranny. The skull remained, but eventually they became part of the everyday routine of the sleepy town. Morcus was driven from the town in disgrace, while his son Minnow was apprenticed to Luthern. Oh, that's nice. And my fair Gawain, she grew plump and content with babies. I sometimes imagine the surprise on the faces of Nellie, Ratty and all my friends were I to visit them in the Magpie Tavern. But that chapter of my life is closed now. When Luthern and Gawain were wed, I left Townvale, perhaps forever. Okay. Okay, so I didn't get with Gawain in the end. That's a shame. That's quite nice though for Luthern. If that's what Gawain wanted, of course. Crikey. Just seemed quite taken by dear what? Now what? Is that it? So perhaps forever they're entertaining the possibility of a sequel, but that never happened. Right, well that's that. There's the end of Lure of the Temptress. Yeah, that's a shame. I was hoping for another little animation or something. And I was also hoping to have a bit of a battle with the Temptress, but crikey, it just went nuts and just did it all by itself. Oh well, at least we saved the village or the town to a certain extent. Anyway, right, better go to bed. This has gone on long enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, and I'll do another adventure game soon, I hope. Thanks and cheerio. Give me some magic.